front of me is OPPO A57s, and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock on this device. Begin by opening Settings. In them, scroll down and choose Password and Security. Then click on Lock Screen Password and choose Continue in the pop-up after 5 seconds. Now select one of those password types, numeric, pattern or alphanumeric. I will go with numeric. And if you change your mind, just tap on Use a different password type and select one of those options. In my case, pattern. Now enter your login method and repeat it in order to confirm it. Over here you can choose Add in the pop-up if you wish to add your fingerprint right away, or select Cancel and click on Home button. Now when I turn off my screen, then turn it back on, I can see that pattern is now required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!